Landworks Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher Super Heavy Duty 7 HP 3-in-1 Multifunction 3 inch max capacity. I used last weekend. Very good shredder and mulcher. Hopper is wide compared to other brand. Nicely shredding 3-inch branches. One improvement: the mulching bag should be bigger. I got 208 cc and 7 horsepower. Not sure what difference is. It's good product. I recommend this. The wood chipper and mulcher is a great lawn gardening tool for the homeowner with tree branches and leaves to clean up every year or after each season. I bought mine to deal with a large pile of oak branches that fell from a summer windstorm. It was easy to assemble after watching a video on YouTube of someone else assembling a similar machine. I recommend it. This is 2 machines in one. I will explain. The large hopper is for mulching and should be used only for leaves and small twigs. The narrow funnel is for thicker branches no more than 3 inches thick. They should be pruned if are Y-shaped branches sticking out. You don't want to force or overload the hoppers. This will only cause the machine to stall and waste time cleaning the debris stuck inside. The machine uses 2 blades to chip branches and 4 claw hammers that spin freely to mulch, and the sound of metal clanking when you turn off this machine. After about 8 straight hours of use, I spread the mulched material around the shrubs in my yard with the large zipper bag that is included. I wouldn't want a bigger bag because this get heavy to carry around, but it worked great. After using the machine, I emptied the fuel and disconnected the spark plug wire to take it apart and sharpen the 2 blades. You will know when they are dull because the branches will not be pulled into the chipper anymore. I watched a few more videos on how to do this and they helped. I was able to sharpen the blades and reinstall, and it worked like new. I don't recommend doing this for everyone. Having a lawnmower repair shop would be a better choice. You should stop using the machine when the blades get dull. It can ruin the blades and damage the machine. Understand, this machine is for occasional use, not a commercial type chipper. This chipper is incredible. It gobbled everything I threw at it. If it goes through the intake, it will handle it. Engine started first pull right out of the box. Only issue was one threaded hole to attach the main hopper needed to chase with a tap. Looked as though it was missed after powder. Bought a Troy chipper a few years ago and this put that to shame. Highly recommend this chipper for home use. Ran it straight for 7 hours with no issues. Great little machine that makes quick work of massive amounts of brush and limbs. Quick and easy to assemble. Does not come with oil in the engine, so make sure you fill it up before you start working. The company even sent me a postcard thanking me for my purchase. I am very happy with my purchase. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.